Yo guys, what is up? slimshaynee here to bring you back another video. And for this video today, we're going to be looking at my top 5 best Chrome web games that you can find on your Chromebook, on Chromebox, or anything running the Chrome OS system. That's basically what the Chromebox and Chromebook runs on, is the Chrome OS. But not all the games I'll be showing are on the Chrome Web Store, but these games I will be showing you are really amazing to play, and I think you guys will really enjoy them a lot because they're not like those crappy games that you'll find on the Chrome Web Store, the ones that bring you to a Flash game website or something like that. Thank you for supporting my last video on the Chrome Web Games. This video is going to be a little bit better and a lot better. The only issue is that the frames are a little bit down, like the other one, just because of how the screen recording software was on the Chromebox. So anyways, hope you guys enjoy, and let's get right to the video. Before we continue with the video on our top 5, definitely check out Slim Shaney Webs. It's a Chrome web application made by myself. You can get it easily on the Chrome Web Store. Just type in Slim Shaney Webs and it will pop up right there. I actually fixed it up a little bit beforehand. I don't know if you guys ever tried it, but after like 9 minutes or so, you would get a random freeze, or it'll just randomly restart the application. So what I did is I actually went into it and I actually fixed that up. So now you're not going to be getting any random restarts on the application. So you actually be really good to go from there. Everything still works as it does on the original website. This is just one place to go to instead of having to go to your Internet Explorer, if you are into that Internet Explorer kind of thing. Or anything else like that. This is just a application that's really good to go on if you just want to go onto this website by itself. So definitely go check it out if you can. So on to the top 5. What we have first is ChroNDS. In order to run the application, I believe you need app runtime, and in order to get app runtime, download Evernote right here. It's an Android application, but also implement it into Chrome OS. So what you do is you download this app and you automatically get app runtime. I believe you need that in order to run the NDS games on the emulator. But anyways, other than that, once you actually start up the application, just make sure you change the same settings as you see right here that I have here. Just make sure you have everything the same, or else it's going to look a little bit funny when you play some of your games. Make sure you make an NDS folder on your Chrome OS system or Chromebook. I'm just going to refer to Chromebook the whole time if we are speaking about this right here. So on your Chromebook, make sure you make a folder called NDS and make a games folder inside that folder, and then put all your games onto the games folder inside the NDS folder, as you will be seeing in a little bit. And make sure you dump all your games inside that games folder, so whenever you are inside the application, you'll be seeing all your games right here. And you'll be seeing a little bit when I click on the folder, which you have to click on in order to load up the folder to load in the games. Make sure you click the folder on the top left and click on the NDS folder. And when you do click on that, you'll be able to go through the discovery, or the whatever it's called, the file directory on the application, as you can see right here, and you'll be able to scroll to the NDS folder. Actually, it should already pop up there as soon as you click select on the folder from the top left area. It should already pop up. Just click on that, and then it'll show up the games folder. You click on that and then your game should pop up right there. Hopefully that's not too confusing, as you can clearly hear. If you want to see a tutorial on it, just let me know and I'll definitely make an easy and simple tutorial on it. I'm just doing a top 5, so I'm not going to get all into it right now. But as you can see, Super Scribblenauts is pretty fun, as you can see. Sorry, got that cough right there. So as you can see, Super Scribblenauts runs pretty well, even though the recording's a little bit crappy, but the game runs actually pretty well. This is a game that you don't really need that performance for, really. If you're to play games like Mario Kart DS or New Super Mario Bros. For DS, it's not going to run as well, but they are playable in a way, because they run around, it's hard to guess, I would say around 20 frames per second, maybe a little bit lower. But they do run to a point where it is actually playable and not making you want to just cancel out of the application and delete it right away. So that was ChroNDS. Definitely check it out. The next game, what we got right here, is Club Penguin. Not the new bull crap on your phone. Really sucks balls. But it's the old version of Club Penguin. As we can see right here, this is called Virtual Penguin. I'll have a link in the description. Not everything, like I said before, is going to be on the Chrome Web Store. But as you can see right here, there's many options that you can change up on this game, which is really amazing. I don't care about much on this game. I just found it really cool that maybe you guys will enjoy. I was actually making a video on this as a funny moment video. If you guys really want to see that, I got yous. I'll hook yous up. There's an old server and then there's a new server, so you can also play the old Club Penguin or the newer version of the old Club Penguin, as you can see right here that I'm on right now. You can get yourself any puffle you want. You can select any item in the game that you want to get in like a search directory on the website, and it's really cool and all. There's just so much options in the game. It's way better than old Club Penguin than it used to be. I would definitely check it out if you guys have a chance, if you want to get that nostalgia back of Club Penguin. The next application what we got right here, or website I would like to call it, is called AirConsole. AirConsole actually been out for quite a while now. I think for like a year, maybe a little bit longer, if I am right. So what this is that it's a website where you can link your phone to it, and when you link your phone to this website, you'll be able to play a lot of games with your phone. And a lot of these games can go up to 8 people at once, which is really crazy. In order to link your phone to the website, as you see on the top right, there is a code. But in order to input that code, you're going to have to download an application called the AirConsole app for your phone or for a tablet, depending what you got. But when you go into the application, just type in the code, and then you'll be linked up to your computer onto the website. And like I said, you can get up to 8 people at once, so 8 of you on a couch with your phones, just playing some good time on these games. Not all games are 8 players, though, just letting you all know, by the way. Some games are just 1 player, some games are just 2 players, some are 4, and some are 8. Really freaking awesome website. There's just so many games to choose from. If you want to get like a subscription or a membership, you can get like exclusive stuff to certain games on the website. The fourth one we've got on the list here is Super Smash Bros. 2. This is actually a game made by McLeod Gaming, if I said that correctly. Hopefully I didn't butcher it. This is actually a very fun game, in all honesty. There's so many stages, so many characters. It's basically like Super Smash Bros. Brawl in a way, just made for the PC. I actually put this onto the Chrome Web Store, which I'll link to you guys, so you can play a full screen application without any ads and all that bullcrap that you see on other websites. And if you have a little bit of trouble or performance issues with this game, just make sure you just small the window a little bit, just so you can get that performance increase. And also there's options to where you can change that to get that little bit of performance that you need. As you can see right here, the game runs pretty freaking well, even though if you're on a Chromebook or Chromebox. I'm running on a Chromebox on a full screen TVs, and it's actually running very well. So definitely check it out when you guys get a chance. I actually just fixed the application so it didn't have random restarts onto the game, just like my slimshaynee webs application. I actually fixed both of them. So for the next and last one, what we got right here is Dead Trigger 2. And if you don't know what this game is, then I'm highly surprised, because it's a very popular first-person zombie shooter game for the mobile devices, so you can play it on Android or iOS. And what's really cool is that it was on PC. Now, what's really cool, as of lately, I believe it was just lately that Chromebooks and Chromeboxes got an update to where they can run Unity GL, I believe it's called. In Unity GL, you'll be able to run a lot of great and fun applications, such as this right here, and many 3D games that can be run on the Chromebooks that you have now. So if you just go onto the website, which I'll link to you, it's on Facebook, so you'll need a Facebook account. But on there, you'll be able to play this first-person shooter game. Also on y8.com, they got GL games, so you can play some 3D games if you really want to. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Definitely like and subscribe. If you have any questions, just let me know. I would definitely love to answer them. So anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and have a great one, and peace. Time for me to go grab some ice cream.